Hello students, today we are going to start with the next practical, that is practical number 6, which is based on skill set 2 HTML SOP number 4. So in the SOP number 4 we have to write a program using HTML with the following specification. That is, first you will have to create a web page with details about the class, that total number of students in the tabular form. In this way you will have to create one table. After that, this page of HTML should be linked with the another page as follows, and this will be the second page. That means in this program you will have to create two different types of HTML pages. One should contain the table in the tabular forms, the information about girls and boys. The other page should have the information like standard, stream and division. The next page which you all will be creating should have the saved with extension demo.html. So here is the SOP number 4. In SOP number 4, students, again we have to create the table. So we are writing the first tag as HTML tag. What is the use of HTML tag? HTML tag defines that you are writing an HTML program which is divided into two sessions, that is the head session and the body session. In the head session, we assign every time the title tag. That title is not assigned to your entire program, but it is assigned below your URL. So inside the head tag, we have used the title tag and we have assigned the title as table creation. Once the title assigning is completed, the title tag which is opened over here gets closed by using \title. Then your head tag is closed and your body tag is opened. In your body tag, you all have to create now a table. So you all are going to create a table tag. So your table is the tag, whereas attribute is border and value of that attribute is 2. So here we are going to create a table with the size of the border is 2. In that you all have seen in the question that you all have to create a table of 2 rows and 3 columns, that is number of students, boys and girls. So this will be created by using TR, that is table row. The first row has the background color as orange, you all can see. So we have written in the question as TR BG color. BG color is used to assign the background color. So for that first row your background color is orange. So we have given as TR BG color is equal to orange. There are 3 different columns. First TH, that is table heading. For first is number of students, then /th, second column for boys and third for girls. So in this way we have created the 3 columns by using the th tag. Once all the 3 rows are created, then that tr tag which is open over here gets closed by using \tr. So in this way your first row is created. Now in the second row you all can see in the output there is the values and that have background color as green. So in the second question you all will do, again you all will create one row by using the tr tag with attribute bg color and the value of that bg color will be green. That is, second row is created with background color as green. Then the values that is the data entered in the second row is first for TD, table data 100, then for boys 50 and girls 50. In this way we have entered the 3 records of the second row. Once the row records are completed, then the tr tag which is opened over here get closed by using \tr. In this way the table is completed, so the table tag which is opened over here gets closed by using \table. Okay. Now here you all have to see in the question that they have said that you all have to link this page to another page as follows. So we have to link this page to the next page, that is with this output. So for linking the pages we use ahref tag. Ahref tag is the tag which is used to have the reference or have the linking with another page. That is, A stands for anchor tag, whereas href is the attribute which is used with the anchor tag. Href stands for hyperreference. Href is the attribute which is used with the anchor tag, and here we have linked the second file name, that is demo.html, and click here is the option. Once the use of this tag is completed, that tag is closed by using \a, then your body tag closed and HTML tag closed. Now in the second program, that is demo.html, you are creating a second file of HTML program which is saved with extension .html, which consists of this information. So again we will write the head HTML, which is divided into two sessions, head session and the body session. In the head session we have assigned the title as the hyperlink. The hyperlink, once the title assigned is complete, then the tag is closed. After that your head tag is closed and your body tag. In your body tag you use, see in the output, the standard element is written in bold, so we use the B tag. B tag is used for bold. B standard 11. Then stream is written in italic, so we use the italic tag, that is the I tag, for writing the data in italic. And we have written here stream is science. Then your \I BR. Next is underline, that is U. U stands for underline, U tag, division A. Then your BR. Every time BR tag is used for breaking of line. Then your body tag is closed and your HTML tag is closed. So in this program only one change is that if you want to create a linking between two pages in HTML, then that linking in HTML is created by using ahref tag. So ahref tag is used for linking purpose. Okay. So after completion of this program, both the programs are saved, and when you are executing this program on browser, execute this program by the first program name, and then there will, on the first program page output, you all will have click here. Click on that click here, then you will directly jump onto your next page. In this way, this is the program of hyperlinking. In the next lecture, we will start with the last practical, that is practical number 7. Thank you.